BUCHYMIX Blender, the Odogu blender of the blenders. If you don't get BUCHYMIX Blender, you don't have a blender. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen Esther, Queenie's World here. In case you're new here, you're welcome. Go ahead and click on the subscription button if you like what you're seeing on this channel. But if you don't like, still click on that subscribe button. Go ahead, turn on your post notification to always get notified whenever I create new content. To my old subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs, the ones who share my channel. You're the real MVPs. Thank you for clicking in once again. Without further ado, let's dive into the main purpose of this video. Whenever I add new cookwares or new utensils, right? Am I correct? If I'm not, correct me in the comment section. I always feel happiness inside of me. See, especially whenever you have a functional kitchen and then you don't have a functional utensils in your kitchen, you always feel sad. Like, I want to make something, I don't have a food processor, I'll not start pounding. I want to make crush one ice, I don't have a functional blender, I will not start thinking. Or I want to mix, butter with flour and I don't have a mixer, I will not start thinking. That was me some few weeks ago, but now I already have all these things. So that's why I said unbox them with me. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox my blender. BUCHYMIX Blender, the Odogu blender of the blenders. Guys, this blender, I've seen a lot of review on Instagram, YouTube, yeah, but the ones where I actually saw this BUCHYMIX blender was on YouTube. Sorry, Instagram, right? And people have a lot of review. Like I just said, this blender I must buy you. No matter how expensive you are, I go get you. Like, so I just went ahead, went on their Instagram page, messaged the marketer in charge of Port Harcourt Center, and I told her what I wanted, and this is it. So guys, let's unbox. They said this one can even grind stone. I'm not sure about that, but let's unbox this together and see the beauty. Da-da, da-da-da-da-da. The first thing you have is the manual, the BUCHYMIX owner's manual. You also have the limited warranty service, and then you have dear customer thank you note. This is it. Whoo! Okay. All right. So here we have the cups, we have the seal, and then I have this other smaller, I think the hard meal blender. This is a meal. Yeah, I got it right. Almost see the blades. I can't wait to use this blender. They say a blender that does it all. Is it the miced meat, ground grains, nuts, butter, plant milk, smoothie bowl, baby food, juice, everything? This blender will do it for you. Like this blender, I've seen a lot of review. I like the gold plated blades. This makes it look so unique. So guys, this is it. Yeah, so this is how it goes. We have the meal, and then we have, let me see, there's 8 cups, 200 ml cup. What else do we have inside here? Okay, we have to be pushing the thing, to be blending. What do they call it? What do they call it? I beg, comment down below and tell me. This is the main engine. Oh wow. This is heavy. Do you have BUCHYMIX Blender? Do you have BUCHYMIX Blender? Oh, boy. If you don't get BUCHYMIX Blender, you don't have a blender. This is how this looks. Looks so beautiful. For them to even have a warranty, like if maybe you have an issue with this, you can, return it. So this is what it looks like. BUCHYMIX Blender. This is the full set. Okay. Drum roll, guys, for the next one. This is a 3-in-1 Russell Hub Fiesta. Okay, let me just start all over again. Russell Hub's Fiesta 3-in-1 deep feel snack maker. 3-in-1. You can use this for your waffle, sandwich, waffle, and grill. Yeah, you heard me right. When you want to buy something, do multi-purpose. One thing can do everything. The packaging, I think these are the plates. For the grill too. This is nice. This is nice. You have the owner's manual. Then we have some, I don't know what this is, but it's also a manual. So let's go on to see how this works. Okay, like I said, you can use this as a grill as well. And these are the different, this is for waffle, you already know. Hope I'm right. Yeah. And this one right here is for your sandwich. Yes. Like I said, I need to look into it to know how to fix this for use. Okay? I need to look into it. So that's number 2. Oh, this is actually 2. Yes, you place it this way. Okay? You know the way you make your sandwich now, and then you go ahead. But I need to check how to use this properly. And then we also have the waffle here, because it's two ways. This is also the waffle. You have to place one here and then place the other one here for you to have a complete waffle maker, for you to have a complete waffle. Okay, and then this is also used as a grill. Okay, I've seen the reason why this is not entering. So you have to press this. There's an adjuster here, so you press it this way, yes, and then this comes out. You see, this comes out. So I'll go ahead now to fix. This is the grill. This is what the grill looks like. So I'll go ahead to fix the waffle. It goes this way. Okay, you see? Then you also go ahead. Once you just press this adjuster, it pushes itself out. And then you take it out and fix the other one. So that is it. You see? It's multi-purpose, right? So that's what they call it, 3-in-1. Let me not start blabbing, please. It's 3-in-1. and non-stick coating cooking plate for easy cleaning. Power on and ready indicator light, which is this, can be stored vertically for compact storage. So you can store it like this, right? You can also store it like this, whichever way it goes. So this is a good buy for me. I don't have to own a waffle maker. I don't have to own I have a grill. I don't have to own what's it called, sandwich maker differently. This does the work for me. Let's go over to the next. Guys, I forgot to show you this BUCHYMIX extra package for you as a customer who is buying a blender. So that means if you're buying different machines, they can give you different things. So my blender came with this can. Let me look at, okay, this is nice. When you're done with your smoothie, you pour it here and then consume, okay? Let's go over to this Kenwood hand mixer. This is nice. The small kitchen essentials here. So I added new kitchen essentials. First off, you have the owner's manual. Is always necessary. Please guys, when you get any essentials in your house, try to read the owner's manual. It's very, very necessary. So not when the stuff, maybe you're not using it properly, you will not start looking for this manual. It's better you sit down, read it very well before you start using any kitchen essentials. Oh my God. This is the machine, let's say the head, and then we have the mixing steels. There are different types. This one, it's even fall. Okay, and this one. Okay, this one's. You could actually use it as hand, like this, to mix, or you fix it with this. I'll really need that. I'll need the, okay, I think this is how it will go. Yes, this is how it will go. Yeah, let me not spoil. Let me leave it until I read the manual. Okay, so this is basically it. If you want to detach it, you detach it from here. Use it like hand to mix your flours, your butter, whatever. Okay, so this is it for the hand mixer. It comes with this bowl. You can actually detach the bowl. Okay, so, and the bowl is going to be rolling, because I'm seeing this rolling stuff here. So it's not just that type that won't roll. This will also roll to mix your whatever you're mixing properly. All right, let's move over to the next one. I have the Granite cookware 9 pieces. Like, I always get so excited when I see cookwares. I want to just own them if it's in my reach to own the cookwares. Okay, so this one, I always eye better things. Let's unbox this cookware. It's a non-stick granite pot. came well packaged. Better thing is good. Better thing is good. Okay, so guys, this pot comes in 3 colors. The black, it has the black, the green, and off-white. Black and gold. Oh my God! And the lady said she was sending green. Okay? All things working together for good. Wow. Can you see this? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I can't even lie. I'm in love. You know when you're cooking with fine pots, you'll be having this joy. Your food will be so sweet. Your food will be so sweet because you're cooking with a fine pot. Let me not just lie. Your food goes sweet die because you're cooking with fine pots. But the thing with this luxury pot here is they're usually not big. The highest sizes are 28, but they don't look that small though. They don't look that small. These are non-stick, not, see the inside, see the body, see the body. Let me not be like a Ninja and be saying body. This is the body. Like, see how beautiful. See beauty. See beauty. See beauty. Ah! Oh my God. These are German cookwares. This is the 20 cm. You just cook some special meals in this pots. I was dreaming this pot. Finally, I own this pot. They are beautiful, trust me. This is the 20 cm. Like I said, luxury pots don't come in bigger sizes. So if you want a luxury pot, you get a luxury pot, and then you can also get another aluminium or another kind of cookware, okay, to just make it look okay, like when you're cooking something much. Okay, this is the 28 cm. This is what it looks like. Not so small. Not so small. Okay, not so small. Not small at all. Then I also have the frying pan. Okay. No. So the frying pan doesn't come with cover, or any of these covers can go with the frying pan. Okay. I got this as well. The ones I have, the silicone, I don't know. It's beginning to have cuts in, like, so I can't keep using them, so I just had to get this. These are not silicone, but I don't think they'll spoil your non-stick pots. Okay, So this is what it looks like. They are not silicone, okay? They are not. But at the same time, I'm not sure it's going to spoil a non-stick pot. So to me, it's okay for a non-stick pot. So guys, the last on the list is another set of pots, another cookware that I bought. 6 pieces polishing cookware. Tornado. Tornado is the name. This set of pots will have you falling in love. Like, it's big, it's wide. The biggest is 36 cm. So that party food you want to cook, you have it in this pot. If you want to cook food for 10 people, meal for 10 people, this pot will do it for you. So this is the 36 cm. You see the goodness. See the goodness. See? And this here is the 33 cm. This. And this here is the 30 cm. This is the 30 cm. It's cast aluminium, no. This is not non-stick. So if you're cooking and you're not careful, definitely it will burn. It's cast aluminium. You see, it's written here. 26 cm cast aluminium cookware. So it's not non-stick pot, no. And then the last but not the least, okay, this is not the last. This is 24 cm. Yeah, 24 cm. And we have the 19 cm. This is it. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful set of pots. Okay, see, I just like the design of this pot. So we have the knobs. So I'm going to screw this off camera to the cover of the pot. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog, unboxing vlog. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and comment in the comment section if you love any of the cookwares or my kitchen essentials. Do you like them? Will you be adding any of them to your kitchen? Thank you guys so much. If you watched up to this point and you've not still subscribed, why now? Subscription is free. Turning your post notification is also free. Join this family, grow this family with me. Not when I don't come make calm, you can say, I used to watch her videos. Oh yeah, go on and subscribe now, so you'll be among the family. To my old subscribers, thank you once again. Do have a great day, have a great time. Bye.